What's going on, guys? Got a holiday today. It's Monday, June 19th, and I'm just looking for a long here. I've been watching the overnight session for a while. Bunch of short setups in this area, kind of sketchy shorts, but looking for the bounce. Sort of similar to this bounce here, but like I was not up at 2 a.m. I'm not going to trade 2 a.m. So looking for the bounce here. We've got that bounce formed a long setup, and there's a reversal long setup now. So I'm looking to get filled here. I've got more contracts in the order because I got a tighter stop. So it's a $450 stop. But it's like the perfect entry for it. And honestly, I could probably tighten that stop up even more to like a point and a half. Like if we make a new low, I'm not sure I'm going to like this trade. So just waiting here. I understand there's no open. There's not going to be a surge in volume because it's the day off. But it's right around the time where people are going to be looking at the market, and we're almost at the price. We've finally actually formed the setup. So I think we could easily get up into this area, maybe push this liquidity up into here, 55, 56, 57, 58. It might take until the afternoon because typically these sessions are low volume, not very volatile, and they're grindy. But that's the only trade I see, and it's setting up sort of right at the right time-ish. So that's what I've got in mind. Almost got filled there, actually. I want 48.25, might be better. I like to be very precise on these days because the moves are tighter, they're slower, they take more time. So you don't have to have as wide of a stop. You don't have to have as wide of a trigger range to get in. Everything's a lot tighter. So yeah, it's a pretty simple plan today, nothing too crazy. I see a bunch of the videos are going crazy on the weekend. I appreciate it. You guys are really getting the views up and everything on this channel. Did I just miss that entry here?
Order filled.
Yeah, let me try again. I feel like that... okay, I guess I would have gotten filled. Anyways, now we wait. I'm wondering if I'll just cut the video, or maybe I'll chat for a bit and then I'll cut it to the exit, because I don't think anything's going to happen. It's a little more active right now, actually. Yeah, so 2 ticks of a difference there between where I wanted it and where I got it. That's fine. We have a bit of surge in volume. The tape's moving a bit more. Just got to see what happens here. The actual long right there at, what is that, 47? Just went through it. Now I'm looking for it to get bought up. My entry's a little bit higher than that. That's totally fine. Let's see where NQ is at. If I get stopped out of the ES, I'll be taking the NQ at 38. Another great setup. Yeah, that's really not moving at all. This is pretty typical of these days off. Stuff just doesn't move. I remember last time I had a very similar plan with the holiday, and it actually took the whole day. It took till like 1 p.m., but it made it all the way up. So Kind of thinking the same thing here. See if this level gets bought up. See if we can make it up. I think there's only going to be one good trade. I want a long at the extreme end of the range, or I want a short at the extreme. There's no short here, right? Like, if you look at this chart, I don't think this is going to continue lower without the risk of just getting bought back up. I would want it short like up here. Can you see that on the video there? Yeah. Up here, or in this area, or like even up here, but I don't know, that was 4 a.m. trade, so I'm totally happy with this long. Let's keep chatting away for a bit. Maybe I'll cut the video and cut back to when I get filled. But you'll know, by the time you see this video, you'll know kind of what happens. I either got stopped out at 45, 75, or I was selling up into the 50s, the mid-50s here, for a pretty nice win. What is that, 7 points on 3 contracts? Oh man, we're going to do math live here. 50 points, $50 per point. 3 contracts, 150. What's 150 times 7? 900 for 6 points. Oh no, I'm gonna screw it. No, we're not doing this. We're not doing this right now. That's not it. But yeah, I'll be selling up into here. It's one or the other. So it moves like molasses. See what YM's doing. YM hit the nice long setup as well. 42, 34, 542 right here. See if it gets bought up. ES just chilling, doing literally nothing. NQ got close to the setup. 38. It got to 44. Can I check a Bitcoin on this? BTC. No, I don't know if that works. Anyways. Alright, so instead of just not talking, we'll cut it. We'll cut the video. It's going to be a short day. Non-eventful day. So, thanks for watching. Peace.